Hey guys, what's up? This is just a video that's not necessarily directed to security, but I ran on to this issue on a home computer, so I decided to make a video what I did. So our PC, our office PC, got disconnected from the internet and couldn't go online to Google or whatever. There was no internet. I ran the troubleshooter in Windows 10, and this was a similar screen that popped up, except we used an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi, and it basically said that your PC does not have a valid IP configuration. So I'm going to tell you what I did to fix it, and I'm also going to provide some background information. But what I did to fix it was basically just reset the router. So on the back of your router, there's a little button that you need to use a pin to press in to reset the router. You could do that, or what I did is I unplugged the router for 10 minutes, plugged it back in, and then waited for about 5 minutes, and then booted up the computer again, and it was connected. So let's get into some background information on how that actually fixed it. So most home networks looks like this. You have the internet, connects into the modem, connects into the router, connects into the PC. So you get the coax cable from the wall from your internet ISP company. You plug that into the modem, and then you plug a Ethernet cable, RJ45, from the modem into the router, and then the router, and then a cable in the router to the PC. Modem basically connects your home network to the internet, and then the router lets everything connected to the router access the internet. So when we weren't getting a valid IP configuration, meant the router was not able to give the PC an IP address. So if your PC does not have an IP address, it will not be connected to your home network, to your router, thus not being able to connect to the internet. Now your router acts like a DHCP server, so your router will give all of your devices an IP address. And when we turned on the home PC and it wasn't connected and we got this error message, that means that something happened with the router and it either lost the connection, lost the IP connection, and we were never able to connect to the internet. So once you restart the router, it will reassign IP addresses to all of the devices. And then when I turned on the computer again, it was connected to the internet because it was given the same or a different IP address. And then we were able to go on to the internet. So that wraps up this video. It was quick and simple. And thanks for watching.